Well, inside the art galleries of the Vatican, you're going to see some of the main statues in here. You see, it's not original, there is a copy.
This is a plural name we use for this large collection, which is, like I always say, a cluster of buildings from many different ages. This is the Vatican collection. What is the Vatican? As I told you, it's a different country recognized by Italy in 1929. Now, when we go to the Sistine Chapel, as I said, normally I give you time so that you can look at the different things and you have the tools to look at the chapel, which means that the chapel is a very complex painting. The chapel, as I said, still nowadays is used for a few ceremonies, private ceremonies of the Pope. Don't forget that the public place is St. Peter's. That's where the major public ceremonies are taking place. And the chapel is also famous because it's the place where they have the election of the Pope. Michelangelo painted these two things not at the same time. He began the ceiling when he was 33 years old. He began this when he was 61 years old. So there is a lot of different moments of history. This was made in 5 years. To give an idea of the proportions of this painting, Jesus Christ's image is nearly 7 feet high, 7 feet tall. It's rather large as an image. This is also a very pricey painting, expensive. The blue comes from the lapis lazuli, semi-precious gems. Michelangelo convinced the Pope to use the special blue from lapis. The blue could be obtained in other ways, but it would have been not the same brightness. And so for such a huge painting, it was rather expensive. Because he measured 600 feet. The big door. You see the inscription? It's nearly 7 feet high. This gives you an idea. There was solid Raphael, also the old basilica. That one is no longer existent. In 50 or 60, they closed it down and they built this one instead, which is the Basilica of St. Peter's number 2. This basilica was built to commemorate the Apostle Peter, who was buried inside his church. So you see the main altar with the candles?
Okay, so messed up. I want
So remember also the balcony and the announcement and the obelisk as well. Remember we saw one as fast as lightning. And I would just take a chance to say goodbye and well, enjoy your time in Italy. Okay, have a nice time.
Grazie. Grazie. Grazie.